When you first log into this app, you'll have to type in the teacher username, but then it will remember it. Then you will find your kid's name, they will put in their password, and you'll get started. At the bottom, you will see messages. Sometimes I send messages. You will also see a spot for their stats. And the star zone is where you can use your stars to buy things. The reading planet is full of books. The level up section is where it is books, filled with books at your child's level. It's organized pretty easy here. You can't hear the book being read, but when you listen to the book, you will earn 10 stars. And then you'll see other books. And once you finish all of those books, you will move up a level. The reading room has other options as well. Then if you go back to, I went too far. If you go back to the green planet, which is Head Sprout, if you haven't done this yet, you will do a very small assessment where it places you, and then you will end up doing little phonics journeys with your little alien friends. And that is it.